What's up, guys? It's Eric from Yokohama Skateboards. We're back at the Chino Hill Skate Park. We get here early in the morning, so we're still trying to warm up. And today we had a question. Well, it wasn't a question today. A couple days ago, somebody was asking about the mini cruisers. So I have one here with me, and their question was, can you still do tricks on them? So you can still do tricks on them. Would I advise it if you're starting off? No, because it's going to be a little bit more difficult because you have less board, a lot less room to work with. Your balance is going to be a little off, but I just want to show that it is possible. And we had a little challenge. Enzo was like, how about do 3 tricks on the mini cruiser? And I was like, what can I do? I don't really want to do a flip trick right now in fall because it's so cold, but I was like, what about manuals? So I'm going to be doing 3 different manual tricks on this mini cruiser. I might throw a bonus trick in there. But yeah, just to show that you could, it's not just a commuter. I've actually taken off the cruiser wheels on mine and put regular wheels, and I've done a lot of funny flip tricks and stuff just messing around with friends. So I want to show you that yes, you can, but I would advise starting on one of our standard boards, just because it'd be an easier surface, and just all the mechanics of skateboarding you really want to learn, like trick-wise, you want to learn on a traditional skateboard. But you can do tricks on these, and we're gonna do our 3-trick challenge that Enzo has set up for me today. So the first one we're gonna do is I'll do a manual on the C ledge. So I'm gonna start over there, and the manual, we've done trick tip tutorials on this. It's pretty much the equivalent of the skateboard wheelie. So I'll ollie up this, which I don't know if I can make it up there. I'm pretty sure, maybe I can make it. We'll see. So I'm gonna manual all the way around, come around, not scrape the tail, and then we're gonna go off. Then the next one, I'm gonna manual from the left side of the quarter pipe, right where the roll-in is, all the way to roll-in, just to see the longevity. And then if I can get that, I'm actually gonna do it from this roll-in all the way around, near like our stuff over there, and then drop in. So let's see if I can get all these, and hopefully it doesn't take all day. So here we go. All right, so it was actually a lot faster than we had thought for the manual on the mini cruiser. So for me, was it difficult? Not so much. The hardest part wasn't the manual. The hardest part for me was getting up this little ledge right here. Even though it's not high at all, it's about half the size, a little bit less than half the size of the mini cruiser. It was just so hard for me to pop because the board doesn't have the length of a regular skateboard. So on a traditional ollie, you know, I would set up maybe right here. I'm gonna slide my foot up, but for here, just to get up to this ledge, I had to set up really far back, and then once I ollie, get in the manual position. So it looked a little shaky. It's just because I'm dealing with less skateboard, I guess. So the next one we're gonna do, we're gonna head over to the little roll-in flat top is what I call it. So I'll do that, and we'll be going back into a transition with no coping. So we'll see how many tries that takes me. This one, it actually took us 3 tries. I did one when we weren't filming, and then I did one, got up to it, and board kind of shot away, and then got it on the 3rd try. So hopefully I can do this first try. I feel a little bit warmed up, so let's head over there and see if I can do it. All right, so there's no movie magic at all. I marked the clip before. I was like, first try. Did it first try. Kind of surprised myself. Going back in the transition though was a little wonky, kind of almost rolled out, but we survived. So that wasn't as bad as I thought. Actually, it was easier than the ollie onto the ledge, I'd say. But this next one is gonna be a little bit more manual longevity, I guess. So I'm gonna be starting from here, from this line, And I'm gonna go all the way around here, make a turn, and then I will be dropping back in from the manual position on the coping. So I rolled in over there on the roll-in, dropped in on the roll-in from the manual. Now let's see if I can do it when I hit the coping right here. So hopefully it doesn't take all day either. I'm not saying this one's gonna be first try, but we'll see. Wow, today is pretty special. All the tricks we've done have been less than 5 tries or 4 tries. I think 3 was the longest that we had. I said in that clip that was my 3rd try, but Enzo was like, no, that was your 2nd try. And I even threw a kickflip in there just to show you could flip the board. Thought it would just be kind of funny to add in there, but I don't know which one was the hardest or easiest, because I think that one might have been the hardest just with the kickflip because it feels so funny. I think I tried to do the kickflip a couple times. That's why I thought I had 3 tries, had tried 3 attempts, I guess. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. When I was coming around the corner and about to drop in on the coping from the manual, I was getting a little sketched out because the trucks are a little loose. I didn't want to wheel bite and fall right in front of everybody. Everybody being you guys watching this video, there's nobody here. But yeah, that was Enzo's challenge for me today, to do 3 manual tricks at the park. And it was kind of cool because they gradually got different, because the first one was kind of showcasing that you can ollie. Even though the ledge wasn't very high, it was kind of difficult for me because the board's so small. And then the second one was kind of just seeing how I am rolling back into the roll-in from the manual. And the third one, threw a kickflip in there just to kind of show that you can flip the board. So these boards you can definitely do. I'd say not everything you can on a regular board. If you're that talented, maybe you can. But yeah, there's some limitations towards it, I would say, just because of the cruiser wheels and stuff. But for me, these boards are the best for commuting. You're not gonna get caught up on cracks or anything like that. You're gonna go really fast. I love them. I prefer traditional skateboard just because I like to have the option, I'd say, to do tricks and still commute, but I'm not gonna get that smooth ride because I'll have traditional wheels on my board. But yeah, this is the mini cruiser from Yokoher. We have so many different colors and graphics, different wheel colors, different trucks. So yeah, if you're thinking about something that you might want to pop some ollies and who knows, maybe a kickflip, another trick, yeah, pick up the mini cruiser. We will be having these like maybe. Are we coming out with new graphics for the holidays on the mini cruisers, Enzo? Oh, okay, we will be, because I was gonna say, I thought I heard that we're gonna have new graphics, so we will be having new graphics on these, as well as we have a wide collection on the website. So if you don't know what kind of board you want to get and you kind of want the best of both worlds, you can jump on a cruiser. But like I said before, if you're just starting out trying to learn how to do tricks, I would start out on a traditional board and then come to the cruiser. Or you can just buy both and have the best of both worlds and, you know, kind of switch out whatever you think you're going to skate that day. But for me, I think I'm going to cruise around a little more. The sun's starting to come out. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.